Akin Group, more comfortable future. In 2000, with the booming of Chinese real estate market, a big chance is created for building material industry. Akin Group was born in this year. Starting from plastic pipes, newly born Akin Group entered the booming building material market with sharp vision. Through focusing on R&D and developing perfect service system, Akin plays an important role in Chinese plastic piping industry. In 2005, Akin Group purchased the famous USA brand POLYGON. Until now, Akin has built 5 production bases in mainland China, including Pudong, Shanghai, Huzhou, Zhejiang, Xinjiang, Henan, Liaoyang, Hunan, Baodi, Tianjin. Akin owns the most comprehensive production lines and imports advanced production equipment and technology, such as Malifer from Switzerland, Kraus Maffei from Germany. Meanwhile, we set up national laboratory approved by CNAS. All of these contribute to the leading role in this industry. With the development over a decade, POLYGON Pipe has set up 30 direct marketing offices and over 5,000 agents in China, exported products to 50 countries and regions worldwide, and we provide solutions of PPR water supply system, hot water circulation system, PRT water distribution system, same floor drainage system, circuit piping system, municipal pipeline system, etc. As the idea of integration and intelligence becomes a trend for comfortable household. In 2010, Aliva, a sub-brand of Akin Group, was born. Considering difficulties in water conditioner market, Aliva modular air conditioning room and hydraulic balance distributor were developed to make installation easier, improve efficiency of water air conditioning system, and save the labor a lot. Aliva also becomes the main editor of the national standard on these 2 products. In 2013, CareWater water filter was born to broaden the products field. We introduced advanced water treatment technology from Europe and America. Many kinds of products were produced, such as pre-filter, central water purifier, central water softener, reverse osmosis drinking water filter, to provide a complete set of solutions for water treatment. In 2015, POLYGON had a brand new upgrade. It registered trademark in over 130 countries and set up a product research laboratory in Germany. Its production line expanded to heating, fresh air, radiant cooling and heating, and so on, providing healthy, safe, comfortable, energy-saving solutions for indoor environment and realizing the perfect combination of technology and housing. Akin all the time, POLYGON worldwide. Focusing on water, air, temperature, and humidity of the building, Akin Group has been providing human and intelligent living environment.
在创新的道路上，我们从未止步，不断地研发新产品，创造新的技术。我们发扬中华道统文化，我们在企业树立我们的道德信仰，提升员工的道德修养。我们用道德驾驭科技，让科技为人类服务。
Akin Group.
Welcome back. Hi Lily. As you know, POLYGON Pipe is one of our company's brands. Do you know how many brands we have?
Yes, Akin are a big group. Akin now have 4 brands: CareWater for water treatment, POLYGON Pipe for plastic piping system, POLYGON Fresh Air system, POLYGON waterproof coating.
Yeah, we even invited famous star Mingtao Liu to be our CareWater brand spokeswoman.
Yes, everyone said that since she became our spokesperson, she became more popular.
Yes. Do you know who is our POLYGON Pipe spokesman?
Of course, Bob Miller, my favorite star.
Yes, he's American. Our company established in 2000 years. In 2005, we purchased the American brand POLYGON. After the whole of technology research and development, POLYGON Pipe has taken root in the international market and achieved rapid growth.
Hey Abby, how many processing centers we have?
Now we have 6 processing centers in China, located in different provinces. In the north of China is Tianjin Processing Centers. Henan Processing Centers is located in the middle of China. Chongqing in the west. Henan in the south of China. Now Shanghai is our headquarters and Huzhou is our biggest one now.
Wow, it's really a good development strategy. I've heard that many big companies use this way to save delivery time and transportation costs.
Yes, it greatly improves the production and sales efficiency of the whole company and also reduces the cost. So our product's price is very competitive.
That's the good news. Will earn more market for us.
Yes, we only spent 3 or 5 years to reach the top 5 in China.
The speed is made me shocked. A few days ago, I went to the market. Some dealers said that the best service of our domestic market is our factory can install the pipe directly. That makes them trust us deeply. But I don't know much about the foreign market. Is there any competitive service or other things we offer to our customers?
Of course we have. For example, if you want to be our agent, and I can offer you the store decoration plan. And some products with our company's logo that you can share to them, to our workers and customers. It's only used for publicity.
That's really great.
Yes. Last year, we designed a car advertising film for our customers. They said that driving in the city is very popular and also improves the mobility. They love it very much.
So our product's promotion support can be customized according to the needs of customers, right?
Yes, we are really glad to provide customized service to our customers.
Different place people have different needs.
Yes, they did. We said so much. Would you like to see the actual production of our factory?
Yes, I'd love to, please.
Let's see a short video.
Some days got me wanna drive my car to your apartment with a present like a star. Forecaster said the weather may be raining hard, but no, the sun will shine for us.
Hello everyone, it's my great honor today to show you our Huzhou factory. As you know, Huzhou factory is our biggest one. The area covering more than 140 square meters, and it keeps expanding. Today I will show you more details and find some more interesting things. Let's go! Now we are at the park. On my right side is our dormitory. On my left side is our office. Follow this main road is our workshop and warehouse. Okay, now let's go and have a look. Now we are at the raw material factory. As you can see, when we put the raw material into the machine, we will do the record. It's also our first step of quality control, raw material testing. Then we mix the color granules. The raw material is transported by the pipeline. Here is our PVC workshop. We have 16 size extrusion machines, 2 shifts. Annual capacity reached to 20 tons per day. You can see there are less people here because the workshop is highly automated. One person can control 3 machines at the same time. The whole workshop is very efficient and clean. Our induction workshop. This place is used for put the mold. we totally have 72 injection machines. Our annual capacity reached to 8 tons per day. You can see each machine have one light on the top. Actually, it's used for quality control. We separate 3 steps to control the quality. The first one is raw material control that I already showed you. Here, the light is the second step. Machine self-inspection. During production, green light means everything is okay, while the red light indicates the abnormal product. The conveyor transmission greatly reduces the time cost and labor cost of personally handling. The average of capacity of PVC fittings reached to 10 tons per day. Besides, there will be colleagues check the situation and record the results in every 2 hours. After production, we will also arrange sample tests in our CNAS lab. Here is our extrusion workshop. We have more than 60 production lines, including imported line, Nokia Malafare. Average capacity of PPR pipe reached to 50 tons per day. PEX-B pipe reached to 40 tons per day. You can see the whole workshop is very clean. Today is really a wonderful day. No matter working or after working here, we always enjoy it.
Wow, great!
Okay, welcome back. By watching the video, I think you already have a preliminary understanding of our company.
Yes, but what are our specific products and how are they applied?
Don't worry, let me introduce to you one by one.
Okay. These are PPR pipe, right?
Yes, it's the most popular product. The full name is polypropylene. It can be divided to 4 pressure levels: PN10, PN12.5, PN16, PN20. We can precise from 20 mm to 160 mm.
You mean the outside diameter?
Yeah,
Hi, Ivy. What's the different color line means?
this blue line means it can be used in cold water. And the pressure level includes PN10 and PN12.5.
So the red line is used in hot water?
Yes, it's used in hot water, and the pressure level includes PN16 and PN20.
Oh. How about the printing? I saw there is our brand name on it.
Yes, normally we print our brand name, pressure level, and size on it. But it totally depended on our customer's requirement.
Ivy, do you know how to distinguish the quality of PPR? A few days ago, I went to the market and saw there were more than a dozen brands on the market. I don't know how to choose.
Yes, firstly, we can see the inner and outside surface. The good quality is very smooth. And then you can pick up the pipe. The same size, the lighter one's quality is much better than the heavy one.
Oh, that's easy to tell.
Yes. When you connect the pipe and fittings, you will find the good pipe have no pungent smell and doesn't stick to the metal head. It doesn't smoke. If after these 2 steps you still worried, you can check the certification.
Oh, what kind of certification we have?
About PPR, For UK, we have RAS. For Europe, we have CE. And the NOR is for Spanish. DVGW for Germany. And we also have ISO certification. It's necessary.
Hi Abby, what's this one is different from the normal PPR pipe?
Oh, it's PPR double layer and 3-layer pipe. We process them from DN20 to DN32. Do you know the effects of each layer?
No, please.
For example, the 3-layer pipe, the inner layer is antibacterial layer with Ag ion, and the middle layer is prevent light shining into the pipe. The outer layer is anti-aging and anti-impact to protect pets.
Is this also 3-layer pipe?
No, it's PPR fiber pipe.
What's the difference? It's also 3-layer.
It has lower coefficient of laminar expansion, good rigidity and stability. We can process from DN20 to DN63. Here, this one is the PPR aluminum pipe. It's also called PPR high-quality composite pipe. We process from DN20 to DN110.
I thought there is an aluminum layer in the middle.
Yes, you can see there is aluminum layer in the middle and many holes in the aluminum layer.
What's this used for?
That makes it has low expansion coefficient, oxygen, and light resistant, make it suitable for indoors and outdoor uses. Since it has aluminum layer in the middle, it can work under more higher pressure.
Is this difficult to maintain?
No, the metal layer can be easily detected. It used hot melting technology to connect.
That's good. This one also have a metal layer in the middle.
Yes, but this one is the copper pipe. It has a copper layer in the middle. We process from DN20 to DN32. It combines the advantages of both metal pipe and plastic pipe, good antibacterial, high strength, and good toughness. It also used hot melt connection way, increased safety.
Wow, you already introduced 6 kinds of pipe to us. Is there anything else?
Oh, that's all the PPR pipe here I want to introduce to you. If customers have special product requirements, we can discuss together. Now, let's see a short movie to have a rest.
Hi Abby, would you like to introduce the products on the plant?
Definitely. Every year, Polygon Pipe has insight into major problems in construction, found construction needs, and developed many products. On this plant is our new fittings. Daisy, do you know this one?
It's overbridge both.
Yes, normally we use this product on hot and cold water pipes cross each other, like this. Please give me a pipe. For example, this pipe is draining hot water, and this one is crossing cold water.
Yeah.
Can you feel any inconvenience?
Oh, the two pipes are not in the same plan.
Yes, if you want to put the pipeline on the floor, that will bring big problem. The workers have to slope the floor and increase the height of floor laying. Not only increase the workload, but also waste the living space.
Oh, that's so bad. How to solve the problem?
Maybe you can choose these fittings.
Cross bridge?
Yes, it can totally install it. Don't need to slope the floor. You can see these two ways are not connected.
Yes.
So it can separate cold water and hot water directly.
That's too convenient. Avi, what's this?
That's another one I want to introduce to you. Do you know this part?
It's 45-degree album.
And this?
It's T.
Yes. When we use pipe, sometimes we may meet branch line from one pipe into clamp on the wall. Normally, we will use this one 45-degree album connect with the T. But it has some problems.
Yes, it's connected too many times.
Yeah, that creates the risk of water leakage, and it's easy to reduce the water flow.
Which one can solve this problem?
Maybe you can choose these fittings. Accessible T.
Accessible T?
Yes, it can totally instead of album combination.
That's reduce the number of waiting times.
Yes, and the large pipe center distance to ensure the requirements of the wall. This large arc design, small water resistance, smooth water flow. Talking about accessible T, I have another fittings.
What?
This one. Clamp coupling.
Also use the clamp down on the wall?
Yes, it also used for exposed pipe to clamp into the wall slot and clamp the ground. The pipe cross the bridge replaced the traditional 45-degree album welding method. The welding point is reduced and the construction is more convenient.
The clamping height is.
The clamping height is around 25 millimeters.
Okay, got it. How about this one?
It's U-shaped female threaded T.
Oh, what is this used in?
This product is mainly used in hot water circulation system. In the water point outlet, instead of arch arc album, three-way joint, inner well three-way, and other multi-pipe combination connection, reducing the number of welding, convenient and fast installation. You can see the shape is beautiful too.
Yes.
And this one, extended female threaded album. Normally, we use this. But sometimes, when we finish the tiling, we found that, wow, the wall is too thick.
Yes.
If we still use this old one, it will be difficult to connect because it's too short. But this new one, it can avoid the situation. It can avoid damage of inner screw. Album comes by forced screw in angle valve.
Wow. What's this? All of them are steric.
These two,
Yes, these two.
normally, it's PPR steric T and cross.
Normally, we only have the traditional T and a cross.
Yes, but these two things are steric.
In the past, our ordinary pipe fittings were difficult to connect at the corner of the wall. Need to use 90-degree album combined with the T to this location connect. It is difficult to operate, waste time.
But these new fittings can totally solve the problem. You don't need to worry anymore.
Oh, I'm a little embarrassed with our technicians now.
Yes, and this one, PPR plug-in reducer.
How to do it?
It's mainly used for the transition of the main pipe into water separator so that it can be used in PBR branch water supply.
Compared with the use of reducing joint transition, what's the difference of this one?
This one's operation is convenient, fast, save time and effort. It can be directly hot melt connection, reducing the complexity of construction, but also reducing the number of welding.
I learned a lot, Abby. Here I found three different waves. Can you introduce them to me?
Yes. This one is the bow valve. When you open it, the diameter radius is large, but it has one disadvantage. When you suddenly close it, the water generated by the impact force, sometimes very large, thereby damaging the valve. And this handle is a little bit long, need more space to install. And this one is the stop valve. If you use this one, you don't have that disadvantages. But the diameter radius is half, decrease the water flow. And this is the gate valve. If you choose the gate valve, you will not meet that problems.
Oh, got it. Abby, you just mentioned the hot metal connection. How to do it?
Oh, that's a good question. Let's see a short video to show us how to do it.
PBR pipe series installation including cutting and welding. First step, cut pipes. Cutting tools, scissor, cutter, electric saw, tape line, blank paper and marking pen. How to cut. When cutting, mark the line as the required depth. Turn the scissor properly to be inserted more conveniently and to ensure the end face vertically. Pipes with diameter over 32 mm should be cut by cutter. Please be noted not to pressure too much force when cutting for the first circle, and add force at the mark of the first circle to ensure the cutting accuracy. Big caliber pipe can be cut by electric circular saw at the same time. Must ensure the accuracy of big caliber pipe's marked line and wipe the burr after cutting. Welding. Welding tools, welding machine and welding die, cloth, and marking pen. How to weld. Before fusion, let us introduce the stable pipe's special ladder-like welding die to ensure the connection intensity. Icon Company will provide a set of special welding machine. 32 model can apply to the pipe with a caliber of 20 to 32 mm. 63 model can apply to the pipe with a caliber of 20 to 63 mm. 110 model can apply to the pipe with a caliber of 75 to 110. 160 model can apply to the pipe with big caliber, and the desktop big caliber welding machine can apply to the pipe with a caliber of 75 to 160 mm. Clean the die in and out with the cloth, and then connect the welding machine power. When the green indicator is on, indicating that the welding machine has reached the working temperature 240 degrees centigrade to 280 degrees centigrade. Preparing all the necessary pipes and fittings. The welding can only be done after ensuring there are no burr and no damage for all the pipe's axes. Clean the part to be welded with wiping cloth and mark the proper welding depth according to different pipe diameter. Push the fittings into molded core, nearly to 50% depth. Push the end of pipes into molded bush. Pure PPR pipes and fittings should be pushed at the same time, and then push them to the required depth and weld quickly. Ensure the pipes, fittings, and the molded bush in the same concentric circles. It is essential to observe the mentioned heating times for different diameter pipes. During the welding process, two hands cannot leave pipes and fittings in case of deviating from the circuit core. When the heating time comes to the standard, pulling out the pipes and fittings soon vertically, and it is forbidden to shake during the pulling process. The pipes and fittings that pulled out must be inserted quickly without turning in the regular T-time in case of rebonding, and adjust the pipe fittings and the exit direction in time to ensure their tilt angle is not over than 5 degrees. The welding part that over the process time cannot be adjusted forcibly, and the part that does not come to the cooling effect is forbidden to add external force. Strictly keep every part clean, without oil and water.
Here I will connect the PPR pipe and PVC pipe. You can compare which one is better.
Oh, the PVC pipe feels more light, thinner, and easy to break.
Yes, as we all know, PVC is used glue to connect.
With the increase of time, the glue is aging. Will it increase the risk of water leakage?
Yeah, you're right. If you are decorating your house, I suggest you to use PPR pipe because it has 50 years warranty. But PVC, the service life is usually 25 years.
Yes, I will. I don't want to have any worry when I decorate my house.
Actually, we also have PVC products. Here, I take some PVC electric tube and fittings.
What the different colors means?
It's used for separate zero line and the live line. It's easy to install and identify, and it's clean and dirty after laying. Let me show you a short video to see what it looks like after laying.
Okay.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hi, Abby. This kind of pipe looks like an electric tube. Is this PEX pipe?
Yes, do you know about PEX pipe product?
Yes, it's cross-linking the polyethylene.
PEX B pipe series we have PEX pipe, capillary tube, 2-layer, 3-layer, and 5-layer bowl. All the fittings are brass.
Why is this black color?
This black one is PEX anti-UV. It's newly developed product, especially for outdoors field. We have an extruder machine called Nokia Malafia. It can achieve one-step monocell sealing, cross-linking, and ensure everything in high quality.
Oh, are there any special functions of the different layers you just mentioned?
Yeah, definitely 5-layer and 3 layers are oxygen barrier pipe. Both of them are designed with resistance to light and oxygen to inhibit the microorganism and prevent the metal in the heating system from corrosion and rusting.
Is it used in underfloor heating system?
Yes, normally in China, it's used in underfloor heating, but in some countries, they're also used in water supply.
How to connect this kind of pipe with the fittings?
We used embassy tool. Here I have a connected one. And this is the fittings of the pipe. Let's see a short movie to teach us how to connect them.
Okay.
Actually, except packs B, we also have these PRT pipes and fittings. Here are samples.
Oh, it looks the same.
Yeah, but its heat-resistant temperature is different. PRT pipe separate tip 1 and tip 2. Tip 1 long-term heat-resistant temperature is 60 degrees. Tip 2 is 70 degrees.
Oh, really?
Yes, the workers is prefer PRT pipe actually because it can hot melt and easy to set the underfloor heating. However, the hidden danger of hot melt is so bigger
Why?
because sometimes workers directly connect the short pipes that can't be used during construction, which increase the risk of water leakage.
Hi, Abby. I heard there has a very expensive of Pax B. Which one is it?
Oh, it's not PEX pipe, it's PV pipe. The price of it is a little bit expensive than others, and less people use it, so I didn't take the samples here. Maybe next time I will show you.
Okay. I find there are HDPE pipes. There are many engineering projects that use it. Could you please introduce it to me?
Definitely no problem. About HDPE pipe, 20 to 25 mm, we pack it in row. More than 32 mm, we do it straight pipe like this. On the fittings, we separate 4 tips.
Which form?
Hot melt socket fittings, butt fusion fittings, electric fusion fittings, and welded pipe fittings. Like that one.
This one?
Yes, this one is electric fittings. And here, the valve. This one is the hot melt fittings.
And how to connect them?
We have 3 connector ways, depending on the fittings you used. For example, you use the butt fusion fittings, you need butt fusion connected way. You use the hot melt socket fittings, you need to use hot melt electric fusion connection ways, and also the electric fusion fittings. As you referred, it's usually used in urban water supply, agricultural irrigation, chemical pipeline, below-down pipe, and ancillary transportation. Hi Daisy, have you ever heard same drainage floor?
Yes, it's a kind of a kitchen and bathroom pipeline installation method, right?
Yes, actually at present, more than 80% of toilets are still in use traditional system.
Yes, my house is also use the traditional system. Yeah. The pipeline explain up and down stairs. Therefore, the sound insulation effect is very poor. Traditional toilet water tank is easy to linkage. The whole bathroom is difficult to clean. Some corner cannot reach. My mother also complained about it.
Yes, but the thin floor drainage will not have these concerns. It is the trend of toilet development in the future. It's an inevitable trend that the thin floor drainage replaces the traditional interlayer drainage.
Oh, I want to change the thin floor drainage too.
After listening to my introduction, can you guess the advantage of the thin floor drainage?
Okay. Firstly, free design unlimited layout, right?
Yes, the drainage branch pipe on the same floor is completed in the same floor, so the space of household toilet becomes larger, and the ceiling is not so high.
The secondly is low noise. The third, I think, is the water.
Yes, it adopts the most advanced water tank accessories. It not only has powerful water-saving function, but also has extremely high stability and leakage resistance.
Oh, it has different water tank.
Yes, maximized water saving. When you flush, water flow speed is accelerated. Therefore, under the same amount of water, the flush effect of concrete water tank is the best.
Does China use 12-liter toilets?
No, it has changed to 3 to 6 liter toilet, simply reducing the volume of water tank without making any changes of the piping system.
Oh, I think that cannot solve the problem.
Yes, it can. It's not clean at all and cause a greater waste. But this drainage pipe diameter of the same layer is set as 110 mm, which improves the hydraulic conditions. In addition, the smooth inner wall and 45-degree fittings of HDPE pipe indirectly achieve the rainwater saving functions. The last one advantage is
The last one advantage is easy to clean. It's obviously.
yes, some of the dark spots in life is really a headache.
Yes, if changed to simple drainage system, I think my mother will not complain anymore.
Yes, you're really a good daughter. Okay, let's see a short movie to see the trend of drainage on the same floor.
Drainage structures appear in old-fashioned resistance. We use pipe shifting accessories to make toilets, wash basins, and shower rooms more rationally arranged. The vertical pipe retrofits the original drainage pipe system, so get the effect of in-wall. The micro-falling plate structure house. The retrofit is done through ultra-thin floor drains and pipe shifting accessories, as well as the vertical pipe. Then we achieve the in-wall drainage effect.
Hello everyone, that's all the product and the life tips I want to share to you.
Yes, today I really learned a lot. I hope you guys are happy too.
Okay, and now I will show you our company's funny movie. Hope you have a nice time tonight. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.